All right, we just got done cutting the grass, Bouch. What time is it? It's Miller Lite time, huh?
What the?
God, I didn't know you liked beer so much, huh? God, you're doing good. Is it good? Yeah, I know. You kids get enough. It's like good to the last drop, huh? Wasn't it? Yeah, it's good. You even licked the bottle. You're good. You should figure out another way to get it, huh? I know. God, I don't know, Bouch. Mom's gonna kill me. She's gonna say, "What's wrong with Bouch?" I say, "He's drunk." He's drunk again. He's been drinking again. Look at him. Oh, God. This guy licks the bottle. You can't make it up. Man, you think you got enough there, buddy? Is it that good? Is that good? Give me some. Think I could have some, huh? All right, see you guys later. Bye.